Hey everyone, it's Zip Dude here. Today I want to share a problem I ran into with my Electrolux washing machine and how I finally figured it out. So, every once in a while I'd finish a wash cycle and my clothes would still be soaking wet. At first I thought the machine wasn't draining properly. I checked the diagnostic memory and sure enough, I found error codes. They were error codes E38 and E21. That pointed me toward a drainage issue. I took the machine apart and cleaned the filter thinking that it was clogged. But after putting everything back together, I had the same problem. Wet clothes again. And as you can see with the filter, it really wasn't blocked enough to stop the flow of water draining. So after some digging and troubleshooting, I learned that the real issue wasn't with the filter at all. It turns out if the load is too heavy or out of balance, the washer slows down or even stops the spin cycle. And this happens more often on the higher spin settings. So, here's my fix. I keep the spin cycle at medium or below. Since then, the washer's worked exactly as designed, and my clothes come out properly spun. Problem with this, though, is the washing machine is not doing all the things that it should do with this design flaw, for lack of a better word. When you have it on a high spin, if the load's out of balance or too heavy, it slows down so you don't get the benefit of a high spin. Also, if you go with the 15-minute wash section option on the washing machine, that is a high spin and it won't allow you to drop the spin cycle down to medium. So you run into a problem where you really can't use all the settings on the washing machine, and that's probably part of why you bought it. So, I don't know what to say, but I figured it out, and I hope that this works for you because it was quite a mystery, and unfortunately, the washing machine doesn't show you or give you an error message telling you that there's a problem with the spin. You kind of have to figure it out by yourself when you end up opening the door and get wet clothes. If this tip helped you, please share it with others. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. I'd love to hear if you had similar issues or if this actually works for you. Thanks for watching.